Welcome to the Yum Yum Yogi. Today we will be making moist and simple mango coffee cake. This is an absolutely delicious cake, but before we do that, let's remember by surrendering every step to truth and every action to that which is benevolent and life-giving, I attain contentment. Let's start by peeling 2 big mangoes. We need 2 cups of chopped mango, like finely chopped mango. So I'm taking 2 big mangoes, taking the skin off and chopping it fine like you're seeing on the screen. It should be chopped fine. There, that's how it should look, the chopped mangoes. And now let's do the wet ingredients. Take half a cup of oil in a bowl. Add 1/4 cup of vegan yogurt. Only if you don't have vegan yogurt, use plant milk. But really, highly recommend vegan yogurt. Then 1 cup of sugar. And as you know, sugar is also part of the wet ingredients. And so blend fine with a whisk. You don't need a machine here. I'm just using a whisk. Squeeze in 1 teaspoon of lime juice in the batter. And after this, we will do the dry ingredients. As part of the dry ingredients, we need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and 2 teaspoons of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of cardamom powdered. If you don't have cardamom powder, then you can use cinnamon. I like the flavor of cardamom in mango, but if you don't like it or if you don't have it, just use cinnamon. Mix, and it's not too wet a batter. Remember, it's a coffee cake, so the batter will look like that. Now add the 2 cups of chopped mango to the batter and half a cup of raisins and mix thoroughly till it's all blended. At this point, you want to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And transfer this to a baking pan. I'm using a 9 by 13 inch baking pan. I'm putting parchment paper because it's easy to remove the cake. And so if you have parchment paper, use parchment paper. Grease the parchment paper like you're seeing on the screen and transfer the batter to the pan. And flatten the batter, even the batter out in the pan like you're seeing. And now add half a cup of sliced almonds on top. It gives it a good crunch to the cake once it's baked. And now bake this in a preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes. So just test it with a toothpick to see if it's done. And so there you have one amazing cake. So remove from the pan. See, that's how it's easy to remove from the pan when you use parchment paper. But before we taste it, let's remember by surrendering every step to truth and every action to that which is benevolent and life-giving, I attain contentment. Okay, let's taste this. Look at that. It's really good. I like the mango pieces. And I also like the raisins in them. It's so moist.